Everybody, Brent Bowen here with Bowen Customs. We have a F600 crew cab, 60-inch cabbed axle, chassis cab truck for you today that we're going to walk you through, give you a little bit of insight into how we build these and what the purpose is for the different features. So for starters, this is our camper bed with 18-inch forward garage. On the 60-inch cabbed axle, we have a few varieties with garage, without a garage, and depending on the camper and setup you're running, we can give you the best combination for proper center of gravity and just best overall use of this truck. Now this customer in particular has a Lance 1172, which is a large multiple slide camper, typically for dually or above. Now this truck is a chassis cab, started out as a dually. Customer had liquid spring and super singles put on the truck, as well as a number of other features. And our bed is designed to not only work on the dually model, but also accommodate those additional features like the super single tires and liquid spring. So as we come around the side here, I'll kind of walk you through a few things. For starters, the 18-inch garage. So this has a lot of different features and options for it, but by far the most common thing we do here is spare tire placement. So these 41 and the 43-inch super singles, there's not a lot of spots to put them. They can't go underneath the truck. You can put them on the front bumper, but then you're staring at them out front, kind of obnoxious. And with the large sliding campers like Lance and Host, with the overhang in the rear, there's not really a lot of options for a swing away either. So that's the most popular thing here. And when we go around the other side, you'll see the spare tire a little bit better. But from here, you can see the back side of the cradle, the winch mount that assists in lowering it, and we have the ramp strapped to the back here that helps lower the tire out the other side. Now, if you didn't put the tire in there, we have bike slide options. We have a new kitchen slide out option that we released. A lot of things we can do in here, but the tire is the most popular. So tons of space in here. Now, as we come down the side here, a couple of things. This truck has a single def tank, so def fill goes here. And this is the forward camper tie down. Now, our beds are pretty much all aluminum, but on the chassis cabs, we have a steel subframe. That subframe also has a steel bulkhead. So this section here is steel that goes back to the frame, the subframe of the bed, and then that's tied into the frame of the truck. And then the rest of the boxes are all aluminum. So this is nice and sturdy all the way to the frame of the truck for the camper, and then back to aluminum here, okay? And I'll also open these up as we go down. So this seems like a real small storage space, but it actually comes all the way to the front here. So tons of storage inside there, okay? Again, all aluminum boxes. Now on our chassis cab models, to avoid the tie downs blocking the doors, we do a single door on the upper, which makes a nice big table surface here. And then you have storage front to back, all one big space, okay? So this is a nice usable open space in here, okay? And then in the back, huge lower down here. A lot of customers mount compressors and things like that inside there. As we come around the back, you'll see the rear tie down. So this again is steel, and it comes back to the steel subframe. So nice and strong for your tie downs. Now as we come around to the back here, a couple of important things. So first and foremost, as you probably know by now, our camper beds and our topper beds is our patented system that has a factory floor height, okay? So what that means is instead of being a flat bed, which sits up here, it sits down above the frame rails as these campers kind of were designed to fit, okay? So it lets the camper sit down low, keeps your entry height low. The cab gap stays nice and low, which is a really important feature. So that's what the floor height here does. This customer optioned our tailgate because when the camper's not in, he's gonna be using this for work, so it turns it into a functional truck as well. Now, when you look inside here, a couple things to notice. First thing you'll see is our centering wedges. These are designed to assist in loading your camper so that it centers it perfectly. They also act as a block to keep it from sliding around side to side once it's in the bed. Camper mat just to help take some of the weight of the camper from scratching up the bed. And then this customer also had a gooseneck that was already on the frame rail, and we provided a large gooseneck access door so that they can tow and the like with that. Now as we come around the side here, I'll close this up so you can see it with the tailgate shut, okay? Nice and clean. This truck had a winch cradle in the back here, so it didn't get our standard license plate panel, but it did get backup camera, DOT lights, trailer plug, and the reverse lights that came on it. Now as we come around the side here, a lot of same features you'll see here. Steel tie downs, the aluminum boxes, pretty much the same as the other side. And then this truck had the depth fill on the passenger side frame rail, so depth fill here. And then this is where you can also get a better shot of that spare tire system. So obviously large spare, really heavy duty strap that ties it down into our cradle. This customer also optioned our winch at the top, which is a little bit difficult to see, but essentially we have that ramp on the other side that comes out and bridges this and then goes to the floor. And then the winch, which has a wireless remote, and it also has a secondary emergency backup here, will allow you to unstrap the tire and then have an assisted release. Rolling it out's not super tricky, but when you go to load that 200 plus tire back in, it's really nice to have that winch. So again, that's just one of the options here. You can also have mountain bike slide out, the kitchen, stuff like that. So this door is adjustable for height and a lot of other features that we're not going to go into right now, but this is what's great about our free build consultations. Is if you guys have something like this in mind or you want to know what we can do on your existing build, just give us a call. Happy to walk you through all the options, the do's and don'ts and things like that. So if you want to get in touch, shoot us an email, info@bowencustoms.com, or just give us a call at the shop, and we look forward to chatting with you. Thanks, guys.